Hello, hey, it's Ali J and welcome back to my channel. So the setup today is a little different because I am standing instead of sitting like I normally am, and that's because today I decided I'm going to do a clean with me video, as you can see by the title. So today I'm going to be cleaning my beauty room. And I know this isn't something that I typically do on my channel, however, I feel like all of us may feel a similar way where we're kind of stuck in the house and there are some things that in the house that we need to do that it may be a little hard to find the motivation to do. So something I personally love is I love watching cleaning videos, clean with me videos, cleaning motivation videos. I watch so many of those before I clean. Sometimes I watch them just to watch them. And they really motivate me to do whatever it is that I personally need to get done. So I'm hoping that's what this video does for you too. Quarantine has started to get a little difficult for me. I'm still working because I'm considered an essential worker, so I work in an addiction clinic. So I do get out every day, Monday through Friday. However, you know, all you can do is work and then go home. And that can get a little stressful when, like, you know, the places that you found solace in or the places that, you know, relieve stress for you are now closed. You know, however you're dealing with this, whatever feelings you're feeling, those are valid. Don't let anybody invalidate those. So if you're feeling really depressed, angry, sad, confused, unmotivated, unproductive, that's valid, and you should feel those things because you're allowed to feel whatever you feel. You're allowed to have your emotions. And yeah, so getting a little off track there, but anyway, I hope this video is just kind of uplifting. I love seeing clean places. I love seeing things get cleaned up, and it's something that I watch when I need some motivation or just a little uplifting. So here we go, cleaning my beauty room.
Ryan Little.
The room is officially clean. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video inspired you to maybe clean something or do a homework assignment, or I don't know, anything that you've been wanting to do, work out, go outside, jog, anything that you've been kind of procrastinating if you've been a little down during quarantine like I have. Like always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.